Installing KOHLER PureFlo cable drain trim. If in the future the bathroom design or faucet finish needs refreshing, or you want to change from a rotary to a push button, there is no need to remove the entire drain. KOHLER's new technology features a rotary cartridge and a push button cartridge already attached to each handle. Both cartridges install to the same rough drain, meaning if you need to make a change, just remove the existing trim kit and install a new one. Start by removing the alignment tool for new installations or the existing trim for handle replacements. Push the handle in firmly and rotate it counterclockwise. Remove the escutcheon if it looks different from the one that is currently installed by pulling it straight off. Firmly push the new escutcheon into place on the flange. For rotary handles, hold the tabs and turn the handle a quarter turn clockwise to extend the button. For both push button and rotary handles, align the tabs and insert the handle assembly into the overflow L. Push in firmly and rotate the handle assembly 1/4 turn clockwise. For best performance of the drain, there should be a 1/4 inch gap between the escutcheon and the handle. To adjust the gap, remove the handle by pushing in and rotating the assembly 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Loosen the set screw and twist the stem in or out to adjust the length of the handle. Align the set screw with the nearest slot and tighten the set screw. Reinstall the handle. Install the decorative flange, then install the appropriate nut to the drain. Install the stopper. Check for a correct fit. If the stopper does not close completely or does not raise high enough, adjustment is required. Loosen the nut on the stopper to adjust the screw up or down as needed. Tighten the nut. Reinstall the stopper.